Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 13 and 14 of class 8 subject GK. Chapter 13, what's the place? You are visiting the world, guess the country or the city you are in. Use the hint box. Before starting the exercise, we are going to read, did you know? Cuba is a city where no animals or plants are lateral to humans. Okay, now first one, you are in a country. Which flag is the oldest state flag in the world? Still in use, first adopted in 1219. You are in. It is Denmark. So write Denmark. Denmark. Second one, you are in a country after which the largest dinosaur was named. It is also known as the playground for dinosaurs. You are in Argentina. So write Argentina. Argentina. Next, you are in a country which has the largest man-made lake, Lake Volta. You are in Ghana. So write Ghana, Ghana. Fourth, you are in a country which has world's oldest breed of cats, the Persian cats. You are in Iran. So write Iran, Iran. Fifth one, you are in a country where world's deepest blue hole is located. You are in Bahamas. So write Bahemas, Bahamas. Sixth one, you are in a country where the brand like Gucci, Prada, Armani are headquartered, and this is known as the fashion capital of the world. You are in Italy. So write Italy, Italy. You are in a country which has the largest castle in the world. You are Prague. Right? Prague, Prague. Coming to the next chapter 14. Famous rivers in the world. Rivers have been very useful to man in all parts of the world since prehistoric times. They provide a source of drinking water for obtaining food, to fertilize land, and way to transport goods from place to place. Now, why are the rivers very useful to man in all the parts of the world? Because they are the source of drinking water, for obtaining food, for fertilized lands, and to transport goods from one place to another. Rivers also provide an important habitat for wildlife. What do they provide? Important habitat for wildlife. They play an essential role in the ecology of rainforest and wetlands. Where they play an essential role in the ecology of rainforest and the wetlands. Let us read about some famous rivers. The Nile is the longest river in the world. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile. It flows northward for 6,650 kilometers, that is 4,132 miles, from East Africa to Mediterranean. Okay, the Nile has two major tributaries, the White Nile and Blue Nile. What are the two major tributaries? They are the White Nile and Blue Nile. The White Nile rises in the Great Lakes region of Central Africa. The Blue Nile starts at Lake Tona in Ethiopia. Okay, the White Nile, where it rises? In the Great Lakes region of Central Africa, and the Blue Nile starts in the Lake Tona in Ethiopia. Next, at approximately 6,400 kilometers, that is 4,000 miles, the Amazon River is the second longest river in the world, just straightly shorter than the Nile, although reputable sources disgrace as to exact length of the two rivers. Now, which is the second largest river in the world? It is the Amazon River, and it is 6,400 kilometers or the 4,000 miles. Okay. Third one, one of the most important rivers in the world, the Yazanta River is the longest river in China and the third longest river in the world. Now, which is the third river in the world? The Yazanta River is the third longest river in the world. It is in China. The river is about 6,300 kilometers long. How much long it is? 6,300 kilometers. That is 3,915 miles, and originated from a glacier lying on the eastern part of the Tibetan Plateau. And from where it was originated? From the eastern part of Tibetan Plateau. Fourth one, the 2,510 kilometers, that is 1,560 miles, Gangas originated in the western Himalayas in India and drain into the Sundarbans Delta in the Bay of Bengal. It has long been considered a holy river by Hindus and worshipped as the goddess Ganga in Hinduism. It has also been important historically. Many former provincial or imperial capitals have been located in its bank. Now, this is the fourth largest, I think, and it is Ganga, and it is originated in the western Himalayas in India and drains into Sundarban Delta in Bay of Bengal. And it is considered the holy river by Hindus, and they worship as a goddess Ganga, in which it is in Hinduism, and it has been important historically, and many former provincial or imperial capitals, they are located on its banks. So children, with this we have completed our chapter number 13 and 14. So you have to write the names of these countries, and you have to learn also, and in the chapter 14 you have to read these rivers, and you have to keep in your mind which river is the first, second, third and fourth in the world. Okay, thank you.